Jasalvi Villarosa. I'm 29 years old and I am married, and I have 3 kids ages 6 years old, 2 years old, and 1 year old. And I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Operations Management. And I used to be an office assistant for almost 5 years and 5 months here in the Philippines. And I was a helper for almost 2 years from 2016 to 2018. And my work, such as general housework, such as cooking, cleaning, send and fetch the children, and ironing, and car washing, grocery shopping, and many more.
Okay, you have children, right?
Yes.
Okay, who will take care of your children if you work in Hong Kong?
My 3 children, they take care of my in-laws. My in-laws take care of them since I am interested working in Hong Kong.
Okay, thank you.